As to begin, followed by Ballet plus Run Strikes Girl, moving up by Daral Ora mismo. Leonor and Superwa is the early trailer by about 5 to 6 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Eurasian by about 2 lengths, followed by Ora mismo in second. Grand Strikes Girl racing third alongside Portis Pali Platz, and racing fifth by about 4 lengths, Leonor Superwa. And inside the last 600, Eurasian by about 3 lengths now, Ora mismo in second. Ballet Flats racing in third, running in fourth, Grand Strikes Girl, Leonor and Superwa taking the second spot. As they race the last 500, Eurasian by about 2 lengths, and Ballet Flats on the outside, Ora mismo, Grand Strikes Girl. As they race the last 250, Mama, there goes that horse, Eurasian by about 3 lengths now. Ballet Flats in second, Superwa racing on the outside, and nearing the finish line, Eurasian coming home in scintillating run and winning the 2012 third leg juvenile filly stakes race. Second, Leonor, Ballet Flats, Superwa, Ora mismo, and Grand Strikes